Welcome back to another video. Today we are testing out the torque on this Bauer impact from Harbor Freight. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more turbos to deals. Yeah, as I put there on the screen, these are the only sockets that I have now. These are the only chrome sockets that I have. I can't find my impact. I don't know if I let somebody borrow them or if I have them in a storage or whatnot. But anyways, we're gonna be testing out, see if the Bauer can remove the impact. We're gonna be starting at 120. So we're gonna be torquing this lug at 120, and then we're gonna be going on forward from that. And as you guys could see, we are using the Bauer now to take that out, no problem. And we're just gonna keep going up until we reach maximum of this torque wrench, because this torque wrench maximum is 150. Just keep that in mind. Currently that's the one that I have. So my guess, it's not really it's pretty much what you're going to be needing. You're not going to need any more than 150 unless you're going to have like a big truck, like maybe a dolly or something like that, or a semi truck. Then you're going to need a lot higher than 150. But for a normal size pickup truck or a car SUV, 150 is plenty. Same thing with this Bauer. So as you guys can see right there, it pretty much no problem. It took it off with no problem. We're gonna be bumping it up now. And this Bauer, I gotta say, I did buy it used. I don't know if you guys seen my other videos, but I do have a lot more videos on this Bauer. I did initial review. I told you guys the story of how I got this, and you know what the previous owner told me about this tool, the history. And you guys could check that out on my channel. It's Tool Hood 147. Just put Bauer 1/2 inch impact gun, and then you guys would see that is the torque. So that is the maximum on this torque, 150. So we're gonna see if this impact wrench will remove 150 pounds of torque on this lug. Let's see here. We're gonna be and I gotta say, it's a lot of work to do 150 pounds, so not unless you have a cheater bar. But yeah, it took quite a force there, and pretty much got it there. So 150, and then we're gonna take the socket out, put it in the tool, and then we're gonna be putting the tool to remove the socket. As you guys did see, no problem. I'm tying it back in because now we're going to be doing the reverse. We're going to tie it up with the Bauer all the way, as much as the Bauer can tie up a lug nut, and then we're going to remove it with the torque wrench. So we're going to start at the lowest possible, because you can't really start too low because it's going to be obvious. So 70 foot-pounds of torque. It's gonna be somewhat, you know, to some vehicles specs. I know some vehicle specs are like 90 or 80 pounds of torque. So we're gonna start at 70 just to make it, you know, kind of fair. And as you guys see, the socket doesn't move. And then we're gonna bump it up a little bit. So at 90. As you guys see, I'm kind of messing with the camera, trying to get it to the right angle there. But as you guys could see, it didn't take it off. So we're going to bump it up to 100. And then we're going to go from there. See, hopefully, see here. And as you guys see, the truck moves, so we are putting a lot of pressure on this thing. 110 pounds. So we're basically 110. This is going to be like your regular vehicle, like your sedan or your Honda Accord or something like the Honda Civic. Then we're gonna bump it up to 120. 120, 130 is usually like a smaller truck. I know my Ford Ranger is 120, I believe. So yeah, we're getting into the truck size, or the SUV, small SUV torque here. Then 130. So obviously that's about the same range as 120. And as you guys see, the socket doesn't move. I put force in it and it doesn't move. It just clicks. So that's a positive thing, that it's still pretty tight. It's not able to get it loose. Then we're gonna move it up again. So 140. And this is taking a lot of pressure. You guys can see the vehicle move. It's a big truck. It's a Chevy Silverado, if you guys don't know what truck I have. And that's 150, so that is the maximum for this torque wrench. So we're definitely gonna max this out, this torque wrench at 150. And if we can't take it off at 150, obviously we're not gonna keep going, because I don't have a torque wrench that'll go above 150. And I just closed it up there, so you guys will see that it's not moving. And I just did it a few more times, so you guys would see it's not moving, and you guys are hearing the click. And there you go again, it's not moving. And then we're going to take it off with the impact gun, so you guys would see how much force or how much time it takes the impact gun to take this off. Pretty much like nothing. So I gotta say, I'm very impressed with this gun. Actually thought that it was only going to be like 140 or 130, to tell you the truth. But no, it's more than 150, obviously. It's hard to tell. Hopefully I can get or borrow somebody else's torque wrench to get you know, like the maximum out of this tool. But yeah, 150 it's the maximum that we could get to with the tools that I have now. So I might do a part 2 video of high torque part 2, or testing the torque part 2 on this tool, if I can get another torque wrench. And we'll see. Maybe I'll have to swing by Harbor Freight and get Nikon torque wrench or something, so if we can do another video. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit subscribe, hit the bell for more tutorials to deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.